Up bright and early, getting ready to do our first snow run of the season. Taking the YJ out. This is gonna be awesome. Oh. Man, it has really been over 5 years since I've wheeled one of my rigs in the snow. Winter is usually a time for me to do some major wrenching on the rigs, but right now both are ready to go. Usually we would look for a flat trail, but somebody thought it would be fun to try Strawberry, which has some steep grades, so let's see how that's gonna turn out. To my surprise, my Jeep is actually driving up this grade. But once you get below the powder, it's kind of just dirt down there and it is really slippery.
You don't want to go up.
This is a steep part right here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Let's see if we can get Corbin past this steep part with the rope. Keep coming. Try going slower and working it back and forth. That's good right there.
Oh, gotcha.
Don't know how much this is actually going to help.
We'll see. Ruh-roh. Corbin.
Yeah, I keep sliding backwards, so watch out. Ty hasn't even gotten on the trail yet.
Hold on.
Look out. Oh, there you go. Careful.
Place to watch out.
There you go, there you go. Oh my god. Woo, damn tree. Alright, just go all the way up.
Reach at the top.
Okay.
We're overlanding up this entire trail.
Don't say, don't run me over. Hold on. Don't you dare.
Yeah, turn passengers a little bit as you're going up. Nice and slow, go slow. So now if we can just make the entire, oh, there they went. Oh no. All right, first one up here on this part of the trail since it snowed. We're making pretty good headway. But others are not. See if I can slide down this whole thing, and then maybe I'll just stop when I hit one of the Jeeps. One cool thing about snow wheeling is you can kind of see what's hanging lowest on your rig. So like obviously you got the big tire marks here, and then down the middle you can see where my rear diff's scraping, and then right there in this line you can see my front diff. So front diff is that much higher than the rear? No, I don't think so. I think it's because my front tires are riding a little bit higher as it's trying to come through. But we've got I would think these are the U-bolts hitting the snow right there, but Jeep's doing pretty well. I'd heard Milestar Patagonias don't do great in the snow. Mine seem to be doing all right. I'm aired down to 5 pounds front and rear, and they seem to be doing pretty good. I mean, it's not great. We're doing it with like minimal backing up, so thumbs up for me so far. I mean, this is a grade. It's hard to tell. That's all uphill, so this is all downhill. I hear some V6s screaming down here and loud noises. So Corbin's tires just weren't having the snow. He could not make any forward progress, so we decided to just pull his off to the side, and he opted in with somebody else, and then hopefully when we're done with the trail we'll go back down and he can still play a little bit. But you know, his tires are really soft. They're almost like a sticky, and you know, usually stickies don't do very well in the snow. So anyways, we're making pretty good pace right now. We'll see how far we can get up the trail. This rock is just big enough that we couldn't straddle it, and going on the outside of it is a little bit nerve-wracking since it puts you so close to a slippery edge. If you go down that thing, it's going to be a long recovery trying to get you back up on the trail.
You missed it.
You went around it. You're supposed to go over it. Now you're going to go over it. Oh, no.
Nope.
Nice.
Well done.
We tried to go on the inside, but ultimately we agreed that if we at least touched the rock, we were technically rock crawling.
Slow. Eh.
Woo!
Nice job.
There you go.
Coming up. Yep. Hold her straight. Ooh, watch his side. Watch his side. Oh.
Good. Good.
It's hard to capture the experience on video, but wheeling in the snow is very low threat and offers up some great views of a white landscape. Two of the rigs weren't even locked front and rear, so pretty much any 4x4 can give it a go without fear of breaking anything. Driving on the snow is a totally different type of 4xing and off-roading. It's just another skill to have when it comes to off-roading. Beautiful day for some snow wheeling. Look at this weather. Hey, wait a second. All right, we are back. That was an excellent trip. Had a ton of fun out in the snow. So like I was saying earlier, that is our first snow run of the year. It's gonna be a bunch more. I'm not sure if I'll make any videos out of them unless I'm gonna have like a really dedicated film crew, or somebody gets stuck really bad, because snow runs are really hard to make a video out of. They kind of just look boring and surfing on the snow, but they are a ton of fun. So if you haven't done one, definitely check it out, because it's such a low threat to your vehicle. It's not very technical wheeling, and it's just a lot of fun to get out there in the snow. I think my kid loved it. If you have any ideas for future videos, let me know. Probably gonna be a little bit of a slower winter just because of a job move, working on our house a lot, and we don't really have too much coming up for big builds, but just tinkering with a lot of little things. And there's something on your mind, something that you want to see with one of our rigs, or maybe a snow wheeling trip again in a different way, let me know, and we'll try to make something for you guys. Thanks for checking out this video. See you guys in the next one.